Finally, some good news. The Galaxy S24 series leaks have been all over the place, with Samsung thinking about taking some risky decisions which will have a massive impact on the future of Samsung's next big flagship. As we know, Exynos chipsets are coming back in the future. In fact, Samsung's vice president of the DS division pretty much confirmed, saying that they are pushing for the return of Exynos flagship to the Galaxy S series. With that being said, no products or timeline was mentioned, so there has been some confusion, and regarding that, Samsung said something really good. Yes, according to the statement coming from Samsung's MX division vice president, and I quote, "We will not necessarily choose Exynos or Snapdragon, but will decide on the best chipset option that can provide the best experience to the consumer." Meaning whatever chipset that is best for the consumer, even if it's the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, that is the chipset that Samsung will use on their future Galaxy flagship phones. Rumors are further piling up that Qualcomm will make more specific chipset regarding the Galaxy flagship phones, so 8 Gen 3 and 8 Gen 4 chipset for Galaxy will have even more perks for Samsung phones over the other Android manufacturers. Along with this, Samsung is working super hard on their 3nm architecture for the future and pretty much take Qualcomm away from TSMC and extend their agreement to a whole new level. With everything that they're doing with Qualcomm, that does not mean they're gonna stop on their Exynos chip, because Exynos is indeed Samsung's long-term plan. So again, the good news is that Samsung is going to stick by what is best for the customers. Competition is a good thing, which is why Samsung is keeping Exynos alive, but at the same time, they're not gonna sacrifice the trust that they've built with the Galaxy S23 series, especially with the 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy. If Qualcomm is better next year, that will be the chip we're going to see on Samsung's flagship phones. Let me know what you think about this good news in the comments below. Also, we have some leak rumors regarding the One UI 6.0, which will be the software running on the Galaxy S24 series. According to latest rumors, Samsung is working on something similar to the live activities on the iOS 16. Apparently, Samsung is gonna have their own unique spin on it and implement this on the always on mode with the Android 14 based on One UI 6.0. We made some concepts regarding this in collaboration with Concept Central. They look really good, and we have some even more implementation coming from other concept makers. It's definitely a very useful feature that Samsung should absolutely bring on the One UI 6.0. That is all for today. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comments below. Subscribe for latest tech videos. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.